Very good news. Okay, Isan Gupta has cleared Deloitte interview, Infosys, and he has also joined another company. Okay, so he'll be sharing his experiences. Yes, Isant.
Yes, first of all, thank you so much, sir. It's all just because of you, sir. The way you have shared, the way you have drafted the material. So your material was very helpful for me. So basically, the IT resources are available on various websites. But what they do that they just do the copy paste work. But your material was linking to what the industry demands. Moreover, the review session which was taken by you for my CV and Naukri profile LinkedIn was very tremendous and was very helpful. After that, I have received so many calls. So I'm very grateful to you, sir, for providing the material and choosing your mentorship was one of the, I would say, the best decision and one of the best investment of my life, I would say.
You worked hard, okay, and Infosys आपका डायरेक्टली हो ही गया था वहां से, and Deloitte आपको तो नौकरी प्रोफाइल वगैरह से भी कॉल्स आया, and you're joining some other company which is also good, तो offers आपके वो आया, and you prepared well, okay, क्योंकि tough था questions, आपका article से भी involved था उसके अंदर में, तो I think you deserved and you done well, and the most important thing as a job seeker I'll say everybody to be proactive. Proactiveness is quite important, तो he was quite proactive, देते रहता था इंटरव्यू, पीछा पड़ा रहता था, that is very important. I think in a job seeker you have to be, मतलब इसमें you have to be proactive at the same time, फिर जितना हो सके be alert, भी यहाँ देखते रहो हर जगह कहाँ पर अप्लाई कर सकता है. He was applying a lot of vacancies and that is the main thing, और rejections तो साथ होते रहता है एक दो ठो, तो यही बात है, जो everybody do it, okay, it takes time. As I said ना, everywhere. Okay. Yes, ईशांत, ठीक है, कुछ बोलना है
So
आपको
I
और
would
कुछ?
like to say
हाँ.
whatever I would like to say whatever the people who have joined the GSPRIME membership. So undoubtedly they have not to look anywhere else option in the market. Ghanshyam sir provides very good job opportunities. Moreover, the I would say 24 hours into 7 support which he provides is I would say no one in this industry which is providing currently yet. So be I would say Vishwas Rakhiye Ghanshyam sir pe and you will land it at your desired job location very soon.
Thank you so much. Okay, Ishant. Okay,
Moreover,
and
I
do
would
well in your
like to
this job.
say
Okay.
also
Mm-hmm.
so, moreover, I would like to connect also the people which are there over. I will share my LinkedIn profile to you, sir, and you will share that in the group. So we can connect over LinkedIn also. And whatever the job vacancies are there, and however I can help you all the in seeking your desired job. I would be grateful if I would be able to help you in getting the desired job position for you. So
You,
once again, thank you, Ghanshyam sir, for all your
yes, I will
immense
be
support.
definitely. ठीक है, everyone. Thank you so much. Okay, yeah, can join the